Hello there, here is our quiz for Chapter 10, the third quiz and final quiz. So 1, 2, and 3 we're going to solve for x. Now follow along, each one is a little bit different and I'll help you get that set up. So in number 1, you're going to take 6 times x, which would be 6x, equals whatever 9 times 12 is. Okay, so go ahead and you multiply those two together and then you solve for x by getting rid of the 6. Pretty simple on that one. 2 and 3, slightly different, and I'm going to help you out with that. So, in number 3, we're going to take 8 times x plus 6 equals 7 times x plus 7. Now what we need to do is distribute, multiply to both of those. Okay? So for example, 8 times 8 is 64 plus 8 times 6 is 48 equals 7 times x is 7x plus 7 times 7 is 49. Now you need to finish this out by getting like terms together and finish solving for x. I would add those two first, then get the 49 over, then get rid of the 7. Similar to on number 3, we're going to take x times x plus 9 equals 12 squared. And you got to multiply those two, so you're going to get x squared plus 9x equals whatever 12 squared is. You need to square that. And finish solving for x. Okay, number 4. Remember, we want to write the equation of this circle, so we're going to use the x minus h squared formula plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Now remember, your h is the x value and your k is the y. Okay, so make sure you plug those in. There's your r. Okay, and that's how you're doing 4 and 5. 6 is the same way, only it's a little different. You're going to have to use a bonus, or I'm going to make this a bonus for you. And you'll use the distance formula to figure out your radius first, and then plug it into this formula. Okay, and that is it for the test. So take your time, go back and watch something again if you need some help.